Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. If you're watching me for the very first time, hi, I'm Mansi. I make makeup videos, I do a lot of haul videos and I also do product reviews. So in case you're interested in watching such content, just hit the subscribe button down below and also like this video after watching it completely if you really like. Also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. And like the title suggests, in today's video, I'm going to be trying out few new skincare products which is launched by Dr. Sheth. Now Dr. Sheth is one of India's known skincare brand, so their products are paraben free, sulfate free, vegan and also cruelty free. I wanted to try a couple of their products from a really long time, but before I could do that, the brand sent me the latest launch which I'm going to talk about today in this video. If you are interested in watching this review, let's just begin with the video. So the new launch is called Clinic at Home and they make products considering the Indian skin tone, and also this launch is specifically for sensitive skin tone. So in this launch they have mainly two products. The first one is this, which is their Amla Vitamin C 20 Serum. You know how much I love vitamin C. And the other one is this, which is their Centilla and Niacinamide Serum. So these are the two serums that I will be reviewing in detail for you all today. Also they have sent me a very unique product and it is their on-the-go cleansing spray. Let me quickly talk about the on-the-go cleansing spray first. So like I already mentioned, this is a very unique product. I have never heard or tried this product before. So basically it is your cleansing spray and it is infused with hyaluronic acid, rose extract and chamomile extract. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is a very interesting product because it is really useful when you are traveling or you are on the go, you are in a rush and you don't have time to wash your face. So this product comes in handy. What it does is it basically cleanses your face and then it also moisturizes at the same time. So this is a 50 ml bottle. It retails just for 350 rupees, and how you need to use this I'll show you quickly on the hand and then on my face. So you just need to spray it like so, and then you can just rub your hand like so, or you can use a cotton and just wipe your skin. It is a no rinse formula, so basically you don't need any water to take off the product. It is really very easy, very useful when you are on the go like I mentioned. And now I'll quickly show you all the application on the face. This on-the-go cleansing spray by Dr. Sheth is really helpful when you need to cleanse and condition your skin, and it is infused with hyaluronic acid which hydrates your face, and the rose extract helps in conditioning your face and the chamomile extract helps in calming your face. It is really good when you are on the go. This product instantly cleanse and moisturize your face at the same time. You can use your hand to just work with the product, or you can use a cotton pad. Your face is squishy clean. Moving on to the next product, which is my most favorite product, is the vitamin C. Now this is the Amla Vitamin C 20. So 20 means it has 20% vitamin C in it. I've been using vitamin C serum daily for over 4 years now and I absolutely love the product, and I would highly recommend you all to try vitamin C serum if you haven't yet. The packaging is really nice. It has mentioned all the ingredients. I will be talking it in detail in a bit. Also it is mentioned at the back how you can use it. So if you are a beginner, you can easily read it and it will guide you how you can use this product, what are the benefits and everything. Also really cool thing is that once you open it, it has mentioned everything in detail. Let me quickly open it and show you all. Now once you open up the packaging, you can see that they have shown you the steps to glowing skin. If you're a beginner, it's really very helpful. They have shown how to cleanse, correct, moisturize and protect, and also they've mentioned the key ingredients in here and also with which other serum this vitamin C serum can be paired. Now we all know that there are so many serums and acids available in the market, be it vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, your glycolic acid, retinol and so on. So you cannot mix all of the products and apply it because it will then react on your skin. So they have mentioned with what you can pair this vitamin C serum, which I think is really helpful. Quickly talking about the actual product, this is how the actual product looks like. It is a 20 ml packaging and comes with a dropper like so. Now I'll show you the texture of this product on my hand. So like you can see, it is very runny, but it absorbs into your skin really well and very quickly. This product has no fragrance, which I think is really good. Also vitamin C serum is suitable to all skin types, but if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend you all to try a vitamin C serum which has less concentrate in it, like a 5%, 8% or 10% to start with. Now I'll quickly show you all the application on my face. You need to take 2 to 3 drops of this vitamin C 20 serum and apply it on your face with the help of a dropper, and then gently massage it with your fingers. This serum is infused with 20% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate and 5% of ferulic acid and also amla extract. So vitamin C is a superstar ingredient that helps in reducing pigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines. Also it has anti-aging properties and it also even tones the skin. It also has vitamin E that helps in moisturizing and calms the skin down. Vitamin C and vitamin E works really well for the skin together. The other ingredient, which is sodium hyaluronate, is a stable derivative of hyaluronic acid which helps to give an extra boost of hydration to your skin. On the other hand, the amla extract is the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin C, and the amla berry is a powerful antioxidant and collagen booster as well. Vitamin C has a lot of skin benefits, and if you haven't tried it yet, it's the time that you can start vitamin C in your skincare routine. But I would highly advise you to do a patch test first before you start, using the product onto your face. Also, there's a myth that vitamin C cannot be paired up with niacinamide, but you can completely mix these two. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you're using vitamin C, you cannot mix any acid or retinol. So if you're using both of these products, use one in the AM routine, so that would be a vitamin C, and use your acid or retinol at night for your PM routine. I use vitamin C in the morning and then I apply a nice coat of sunscreen. Don't forget to apply SPF. This product is a 20 ml packaging and you get it for 999 rupees, and you can check Dr. Sheth's website or you can check any other online platform to get more discount and grab this product. Talking about the next product, this is how the product looks like. This is the Centella and Niacinamide Serum. It comes in a glass bottle with a dropper like so, and it has 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc Pca and also 0.1% of sodium hyaluronate. It is a 30 ml packaging and it retails for 649 rupees. Again, with this packaging also you will get all the details in inside. I think it is really very helpful and very thoughtful of Dr. Sheth to come up with such packaging. Now I'll quickly show you all the texture and the application of this product. So like you can see that this product is also runny but not very runny. It is bit thick also, but again it absorbs into your skin really well. Now let's see the application of this product on the face. So you can use the Centella and Niacinamide Serum onto your face twice a day. You just need to take 2 to 3 drops of the serum, apply on your face and neck, gently tap it onto your skin until it's completely absorbed. Twice a day you can use this product, also as an SPF after you have applied it, and you can use it both in the morning as well as at night. The main key ingredient, which is niacinamide, helps in minimizing the pores and it treats hyperpigmentation, reduces acne and scarring, whereas Centella extract on the other hand is a rich source of amino acid and it is a super ingredient for the skin. The third ingredient, which is Zinc Pca, is the synergy of two components, that is zinc and LPCA. So zinc stabilizes the sebum production and reduces the acne inflammation, whereas LPCA gives your skin some much needed hydration. So basically this serum will help you to work on your acne, redness, sensitivity, oil control and irritation. Since niacinamide helps in reducing the redness, so you can pair this product up with any chemical peel because it will help to calm your skin down. Also you can pair it up with vitamin C serum. So that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give it a like, do subscribe, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.